Hello Beshies! It's Samantha! Naghahanap ba kayo ng bago at unique place to visit? Whether you're planning a fun date, a family outing, or just hanging out with friends, the Space and Time Cube at S. Maison Conrad is the perfect choice. And the best part? You can get this entire experience for just 880 pesos or even less if you book through Klook using my promo code SamanthaTrixKlook. One of the coolest attractions inside is the Wandering Planet, where you'll feel like tumapak ka sa ibang mundo. Pero mga beshi, umpisa pa lang yan. Our next favorite is the Mirror Maze, where you'll get lost in a maze of reflections. It's a total mind bender. Tipong hindi mo na alam kung saan ka dadaan. Itong susunod, beshi, you'll be surrounded by stunning, shimmering crystals that create a mesmerizing visual experience. O diba, ang taray. Similar vibe siya sa Team Love Planets sa Japan. At ayan, medyo matagal kaming umaura dito. The place is filled with surprises and every turn brings something new and exciting. Sobrang saya ni Celso dito, pero ako pagod na ako niyan, kakatakbo. The next one is my most favorite, the Space and Time Tunnel, where you'll feel like you're traveling through different dimensions with its stunning visual effects. Tignan nyo naman mga beshi. Ang ganda. I did a separate video for this, so check out my IG. Kaka-aura ko, hinabol na ako ng dinosaur. Another spot you can't miss is the gravity-defying room, where everything is flipped upside down. We had so much fun trying to pose in ways that made it look like we were defying gravity. Mga beshi, hindi lang siya about visuals eh. There's also interactive fun to be had. Tignan nyo naman beshi, hindi lang kami nagbarilan, nagbatuhan din kami. Charot. Anyway, there's a spot where you can draw your favorite animals using their color materials. At ayan nga, nag-swimming pa nga kami. There's so much to do here and every corner is perfect for snapping those Instagram-worthy photos. Celso and I, nag-enjoy kami sobra, so alam namin kayo rin. And again, you can book these through Klook using my Klook promo code SamanthaTrixKlook. What are you waiting for mga beshi? Grab your tickets now and dive into this extraordinary world of space and time. We're here at Conrad, guys. Hello, everyone. We're going to Space and Time Cube. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Also, use my Klook promo code SamanthaTrixKlook. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Kakagaling ko lang submit ako ng requirements sa PRC. So, ngayon, punta na tayo ng kakain muna kami ng lunch. Sogbu. Cape. On the way na kami. Kaya walang tao masyado. Sobrang daming tao lagi dyan. Ito, videohan ko lang. Po, meron po. Yung sa Klook po. Hindi ko rin ma-estimate kung paano ba yung parang hindi matitira na kahabaan ko yung dito. Ba't ganyan suot mo, B? Paano ka magagandahan may suot mo? Nakainis ko naman. Itaas mo na yan, itaas mo. Go.
O sige, balik na lang tayo dito. Ano to? Ayun yung sikat ka. Ganun niya sa Team Lab eh. Mirror maze, oh. Dito muna kayo. Ha? Bakit? Bakit? Oh my gosh, oo nga, no? Oh. Nasa mirror maze kami, guys. First time ko lang ito ma-experience. Parang ano? Horror? Ayun ba yan? Parang horror. Wala na. Hindi mo lang. Lagi kumakain, ako pinapagano.
Ilasama na ako.
Dito. Maging ganyan ka na lang din daw. Ba't ayaw mo? Ganda. May ganyan pala. Dami pala, no? Tara, dyan, lagay mo dyan. Play mo na.
Index pala ko eh. Ito yung mga cabin niya.
Ganyan siguro feeling kapag lumilindol. Hindi kaya itayo yan. Nakakahilo.
mo ako, kayo ng Michael Jackson yung gano'n.
Ha? Diyan ka.
Pag yung pupunta ko yun?
Go. Sige. Ano naman tao? Play mo. Ako na. Wait lang. Pwede na po. Tara. Kaya tayo. Palisin mo yung batang yun. Kunin mo yung batang yun. Tara, dito ka. Dito ka sa kabit.
Tsaka lang, tsaka lang.
Ma'am, picture po muna ah. Ready? Ready, 1, 2, 3. One more. Dito po, ma'am.
Okay, wait.
Di ba?
Tayo kang ganyan dyan. Ito ka din. Ganun ka ba? Ganda. Okay guys, lapit na kami matapos. Marami pa kami lalakbay. Bye guys! That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, okay? And use my Klook promo code, Samantha Tricks Klook. You can book your tickets on Klook. And magkakaroon pa kayo ng discount kapag ginamit niyo yung code ko.
coming now, may I'm sorry today. Trouble down, really bring a dream.